I'm installing the LAMTTO dual camera, security camera, 4G camera into my 19 Silverado today. They did send me this product, but it's not sponsored. I'll give you real life reviews, daytime and nighttime, and let you guys know what I think about this awesome dual camera. Have you ever had an accident happen and you haven't been in your vehicle, or somebody trying to break in? Well, this product is for you. It is a cellular dash cam. It is dual lens, G sensor protection, and parking surveillance. 24/7, your vehicle will have coverage. Just like you want to protect your home, let's protect our vehicles that we spend a lot of money on. This sends you real-time updates on when somebody touches your car, movement, all of that stuff. Let's get into this product and show you how it is. We are installing this on our 19 Silverado. I'm going to put it right up here. I'm going to get into mounting it, but I think about right there is where it's going to go. Let me mount this and we'll get back into this video. All right, here we go. This is how I have it mounted. As you can see, I turned this camera so it faces the inside. The other one's facing the outside for the front dash cam. Next step is to run this wire, hide it. There is selections on here. So there's fuel vehicle, electric vehicles, 5 minute, 10 minute, your power source, 11.8, 12, 12.4. So this is OBD2 compliant. It's got the 2 plugs, so it gets the power from your OBD2 port. I'm gonna run this wire, we'll be right back. Here is the final install. I got it all wired up. I have it ran right up here, down my column. I pulled this apart, ran it straight down here, put the extra wire inside of here behind my dashboard, and right to the OBD2 port. I'm gonna go give this a little drive and see how it is, see how the video is. All right, I got the U-Box Pro, that's the app. It's plugged in right now. I'm going to add device.
Enter a new address or press enter to use your default address.
1 second, let me get into this, entering my personal stuff. Now that we've seen the install, let's get in to see the video quality. I'm going to play it right now. Let me know below what you guys think of the quality. We're going to have up top is going to be on the daytime, down below nighttime. What are you guys thinking of the footage? I think it is good. It's about as good as any other dash cam I've used. Very happy with that. What do you think of the product? I like it. It is great. It's held every expectations they've set. This is more than just a dash cam. This is your protection if you get hit in the parking lot. Somebody tries to break into your vehicle. Also a dash cam if while you're driving something happens. I would definitely recommend this product. We'll link it below in the description. If you like this type of stuff, please show some support to LAMTTO. Grab one for yourself. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Also like and subscribe. Every time you do that, it helps me out. Helps these vendors that send me products know that you guys appreciate them and my reviews, my honest reviews. I've had for 2 weeks, very happy. Check out video on the left and the right. We're coming back with more reviews and car show content once it warms up a little bit. We'll see you guys soon.